What is the one thing that humans need the most to live, and yet cannot be seen? Yes, it is oxygen. The air in Earth's atmosphere comprises roughly 21% of oxygen, enough to support the lives of all living beings. But is it possible for humans to survive without oxygen? Can we live in other planets where the oxygen doesn't exist? In this episode of Is It Possible?, we will find out whether it's possible for humans to live without oxygen or not. Humans use oxygen as part of an extremely complicated series of biochemical reactions that convert glucose, amino acids or fatty acids, into the energy storage molecule, called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. This is called aerobic respiration. Most of our cells can also respire anaerobically, meaning without oxygen, but the reaction is much less efficient. Every molecule of glucose will yield 30 molecules of ATP under aerobic respiration, but just 2 with anaerobic respiration. The larger and more complex an organism, the more energy it needs to maintain its processes. There are no entirely anaerobic vertebrates for this reason. Even if we could somehow supply enough energy, without oxygen we wouldn't have evolved the lungs, and probably not a voice either, so we wouldn't look much like we do now. And this is just atmospheric oxygen. Even anaerobic organisms still have oxygen in their bodies as part of virtually every chemical compound. Protein, fat, carbohydrate, bone and water all involve oxygen atoms. Therefore, it is impossible for humans and other animals to live without oxygen. But can humans live without water? Well, that's a question for another Is It Possible? That was it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for content like this.